Hello guys! Informative blocks here. This is another tutorial of the modern splash screen series. In this video, we are going to add animation to the logo in our splash screen by using QProperty animation. So, let's start. Now, we are going to set the logo in our app first. Create a pixmap object and pass the image file name as a parameter. Here, I pass the parameter logo.png, which I already have in my project location. Set the image to our created logo image label by using the setPixmap function, and pass the pixmap object as a parameter. Next, allow the logo image to display in its original scale by using the setScaledContents method. Set its size policy to null by passing ignore flag for the horizontal and vertical parameters. Now, run the program. As you can see, the logo is displayed successfully. Next, we will animate the logo. First, hide the app description by setting its maximum height to 0. And when we run the program, it will display the logo in the center of the app. Let's animate the app logo. Create a logo animation function, then create an opacity effect object for the logo of our app by using the QGraphics opacity effect class. Now, set the effect using the setGraphicsEffect method, and pass the opacity effect object as the parameter. Next, create a QProperty animation object and pass the parameter. The first parameter is the object that we want to animate, the second parameter is the property of the widget which we want to animate, the third parameter is the duration of the animation in milliseconds, and the next two parameters are the start and end value of the property. Now, set the curve of the animation by using the setEasingCurve method, pass the in-out cubic curve as a parameter. And in the last, call the start method to start the animation. After that, initialize the logo animation function in the init constructor. Then, run the program. And here is another tutorial on the modern splash screen that is completed. In the next video, we will add the description animation to our splash screen, and we will learn how we can animate two animations parallelly. Leave your like, and subscribe to Informative Blocks to not miss any videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.